Hello, my crochet angel. How are you? I hope all is well. Welcome back to my channel and my Facebook page. Now is winter season. That's why today's tutorial is crochet scarf. I hope you will like this tutorial and you can make very easily this scarf. Today in this video is collaboration video. I collaborate with 5 more YouTubers. Other 5 video link in my description box below. Please check over there and subscribe their channel. The channel are Monia Moni, Aki Creation, Lubna Kutir, Crochet Diva, and Rafi's Creation, and your favorite Bengali Crochet-in USA. So let's get started. In this project, I will use this Lion brand yarn. This wool is really beautiful. You see, it's so nice shade color. So first, I make a slip knot and 8-inch chain. So I just doing chain until it will be 8-inch. This pattern is really easy, but it's so beautiful. I hope you'll like this pattern. So you can see 8-inch is complete. So this is the first row. So first row is complete. Now I'm starting with second row. Row number 2, I make a double crochet after 8 chain. I make another double crochet in the same stitch. Now I do together and 4 chain. I make another double crochet in the next chain stitch. I make another double crochet in the same stitch. Now I make another double crochet after 4 chain. And I make another double crochet in the same stitch. Now I'm doing it together. So now I just maintain the same stitch. Again 4 chain. And 1 double crochet in the next chain stitch. Another double crochet in the same stitch. Now another double crochet after 4 chain stitch. And another double crochet in the same stitch. Now I'm doing together. So this is the number 2 row. Now I just maintain the same stitch until finish this row. So I'm done in second row. This is how it look like. It's so pretty. This is the flower stitch. So now I am doing row number 3. So I am doing 1 slip stitch, 4 chain, 1 slip stitch, and 2 slip stitch, and 4 chain again, and 1 slip stitch, and 2 slip stitch. Four chain, 1 slip stitch, 2 slip stitch, 4 chain, 1 slip stitch, 2 slip stitch. So now I just maintain the same stitch until this row finish. It's very easy but looks so pretty, so beautiful. It's like a flower. So this is the look. So pretty, so beautiful. I call this one is flower stitch. So now I finish row number 3. Now I'm starting row number 4. Four chain, 1 double crochet in the middle of flower space, 2 double crochet in the same stitch, one double crochet in the next flower space, 2 double crochet in the next flower space. Now I'm doing together and 4 chain. Another double crochet, number 2 double crochet, number 3 double crochet, number 4 double crochet. Now I'm doing together, 4 chain, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, three double crochet and 4 double crochet. So now I'm doing together, so I'll maintain the same stitch until finish this row. You can see now it looks so beautiful. Now I finish row number 4. Now it's complete look. This flower stitch will be the same 40 inch. So I'll make this one for my baby, so it will be like 40 inch. The same stitch, I maintain the same stitch. So I'm almost done. And it's so beautiful. I love this yarn color. It's so colorful. So this is the final row. So almost finished. You can see it look like so pretty, so beautiful. So many flower in my scarf. This is called flower stitch, and so many flower. You can see so pretty and so beautiful. So I'm done. Now I cut the yarn. and tight a little bit. Now I'm doing decoration. So I cut little piece of yarn. Now I'm doing decoration with this yarn. I am using 4-color yarn for decoration. First I put blue color. Now I take peach color. It's very easy to decorate. You can see I show you everything. Now I'm put yellow color. It's light yellow actually, so pretty color. Now I take white color. So it will be the same until finish. It looks so pretty. Now I cut this yarn to make equal. So you can see now it looks more beautiful. So I'm almost done. You can see it's so colorful, so pretty. Now I'll do exactly same in the other side. So my both side is completed. You can see. Now this is the final look and it's so pretty, so beautiful. All flower and flower stitch. I love flower. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like this tutorial and you can make very easily this scarf. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell button for getting my new update video notification. If you already subscribed my channel, thank you so much. Bye bye.